Former ZANU-PF National and Provincial Political Commissar, PC, and Chipinge District Coordinating Committee, DCC Chair, Simon Mapamba Mapumo has died. He was 67. Zara pena masho karuda pangwa ina chonko ZANU-PF Manicaland heavyweight. Pangwa ina utsakatika. Dr. Boy subscribe wale kotombe bele kwa tipida pana about the news bulletin. Chaupida mubda nyugo mchinzi. Mapumo was served both as the DCC Chipinge District Chair and Provincial PC during his long political career. Was also a farmer at Farm 36, Midusabi in Chipinge. Former Chipinge South legislator and party NCA member Enoch Orusingazivi expressed his condolences, saying, "We have lost a dedicated cadre who worked consistently for the party in Chipinge district, the province, and the nation at large. He will be sorely missed." Funeral arrangements are still being organized. He is survived by his wife, 6 children, and 10 grandchildren. Mapumo, who served both as a DCC Chipinge Chair and Provincial PC, pangwa ine utsakatika ayo otisiya oshaika pangwa ine panokwa kunze the ruling party ZANU-PF Muruitika Mapuwa struggles chitiko awa chabata vanhu vekuchipinge pamwe chete the ruling party ZANU-PF. Mbunze mafunguro enyu kuti kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi awapina comment section metu muzwa mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like chitomba bell icon.